Our history, our personal journeys are all our own. But community means we are never alone. And with every step, action and reaction, we are renovating now, for today, and for the tomorrow we all desire. This is about buildings made better. What this means is better flowing screeds, giving us underfloor heating, for a warmer place to live, work and learn. A total and better reimagination of our structures using lightweight concrete. It means thermal insulating concretes to boost energy efficiency and beautiful, better buildings throughout our landscape. Regenerating our neighbourhoods with cycle paths, specialist mortars and sustainable drainage schemes that save precious water. And yes, it means low-carbon concrete, providing an offset solution to go fully carbon neutral. These don't just define Cemex, they shape lives and protect futures, giving us efficient solutions for renovation. Change is happening all around us, and now is the time to restore, maintain, improve, reuse and develop our landscape for the good of all. Cemex. Building a better future.